Right, good morning everybody and welcome to today's class assembly, which is going to be all about respect. So we're going to be talking about respect, respecting each other. We're going to be talking about values as well, and also rules of the school. So I'm just going to move forward now. A value is a principle that guides our thinking and our behaviour. So we're going to be exploring respect today and talking about what respect is, respect for our world, respect for each other. So we're going to be talking about all different aspects of respect. So what is respect? You can have respect for somebody, for something. You can have respect for feelings, and often we need to look after each other and be nice to each other and think about each other's feelings, and have respect for the whole world and things around us as well. So these are some of the things, and you might want to stop the video at this point and think about things that you don't like, think about things that are very respectful. You could do a list of things that are respectful things, and things that maybe are not respectful or disrespectful as well. So here's some things that people don't like, things like being rude, people ignoring you, people hurting you, people not breaking or not trusting you, and people who spoil experiences. So those are some of the maybe not so nice things about respect. So what is respect and what does it mean? I want at this point now you can stop the video and think about everything that is around respect and what respect is. So how can we show respect? Stop the video and have a think about how we can show respect and talk that through. So we can listen, care, follow rules, look after each other, be reliable, be polite, be punctual, be on time, be fair to each other, and fairness is very important when we're talking about particularly respect and respecting rules in and out school. So, understanding respect within our community. We belong to the school community, we belong to Bury and Ratcliffe, and we also belong to our country, which is England, and then Great Britain and the world as well. So we have lots of different people who we need to respect. We can respect ourselves and our community. And we also have the rule of law. Now, the rule of law is a rule that we all need to follow and respect in this country. And I wanted to talk about the rule of law as well as talk about respect today, because it's important that we follow our rules and we follow our law as well. We've talked about this before in our assemblies. So you might want to at this point stop the video and talk about the rule of law and what the rule of law is, and maybe have a little bit of research about it. So we live in Britain, and in Britain we have rules, we have laws, we have democracy, which is the right to vote. We have democracy in school as well, we vote for our school council, and there's democracy in the whole country, so they vote for our government. We have tolerance and respect for others, which is a major part, individual liberty, and respecting and upholding the law, so it's sticking to the law. So it's all about, our British values are all about respect, about following rules, and about law as well. So we need to respect the rule of law in our country. At this point again, you might want to stop the video, talk about laws and what they're all about, and the rules of law as well. And this all fits in very nicely with our UNICEF that we were talking about last week, which again are rules and laws that we need to follow. These are the rule of law in this country, in Britain, where we live. So the principle of law, that we all have clear and transparent rules, and that we follow them, and they are fair for everybody. So here's a law that you might want to think about that you could bring in. So my law is, if you're wearing socks, you have broken the law. The consequence is detention for a week. Do you think that is a fair law? Talk to the person at home and just stop it there. Do you think that is a fair law or not? So my law doesn't apply to everyone. If you have brown hair and green eyes, you don't have to go to a detention. So again, is that a fair addition to the law that I brought in place? Think about that law and whether that's fair. Think about how it makes you feel. Does it seem fair? And is it in keeping with the rule of law? Okay, so making laws. The laws are made by MPs in the Houses of Parliament. They make the laws that we have to follow in this country. We have a general election, and in the general election we vote for the people that we want to come into power to then make our laws and help us and represent us in Parliament where laws are made. And there's the Houses of Parliament there. So we can just move on from that bit, isn't that bit as well? Okay, and that bit as well. Thank you. So who keeps the law? You might want to stop at this point and talk about the people who help us to uphold the law and look after us all around our country day to day. For example, police officers, which can be a dangerous job, but they look after us and they make sure the laws are enforced. Can you think of anyone else who might enforce laws? Okay, so what I want you to do at home today is think about the rule of law, to talk about British values and respecting each other as well and looking after each other. Here's a short prayer. Here in our school, let us be peaceful at all times. Let our rooms be full of happiness and respect for each other. Let love be in our hearts with kindness and compassion for all. Let us remember and learn together and grow together and succeed together. Amen. So, take a little bit of time now to just think about the laws of the school, the laws of the country, and think about all the things we talked about in Assembly today. And finally, if you do want to listen, there is a video here, the Fearless Lions, which is all about respect, so you might want to play that at this point. Please listen to that. Thank you for listening today. The PowerPoint will go up on the website, so it'll be there, so you can follow through the PowerPoint if you want at home as well. Thank you everyone and have a good day. Bye for now.